Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erama Moses. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a fresh crispy potato chips. So, first of all the ingredients that I'm using to prepare my recipe, I'm going to put it in my description section. So when you watch this video, make sure you check the description section for the ingredients I used to prepare this fresh crispy potato chips. So let's start. I will start by peeling. I've even started already peeling my potatoes. Then when I finish, I'm going to cut it into chips shapes. Then we will fry it. It's just a simple recipe that now the kids are home, they are not getting McDonald's and all those things that they used to eat. So it's better you prepare the homemade one for them, and it's also healthy when you do that, so that they will get the freshness of the chips. That's why I decided to share this video with you guys, for the love of my viewers. My viewers is my priority as always. God bless you guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, guys, I will ask you to do so by clicking the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first person to notice, guys. And share with your friends and family as well, and comment. Guys, I'm done cutting my chips. If you can see, I have my cornstarch here. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I will add my salt as well. Then I will give it a good shake for my cornstarch and my salt to mix well with the chips. That's why I am shaking it. So after that, then I will start frying it. Can you see the way I am shaking my chips? Because I have to make sure the cornstarch and the salt have mixed well with my chips. So you need to shake it. Don't forget that bit. Okay? And my salt as well. This is the salt that I'm showing you. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to it. So after frying it, there's no need for me to add any salt to my chips again. It's very easy recipe, and your chips will come out very crispy. I will also, this is the first one that I'm doing. The second bit, I'm going to add bread crumble to it. Oh my god, it tastes so delicious and so crunchy. The crispiness, that's what we want. You see, that's what I'm adding now. My golden brown crumble, bread crumble, that's what I'm adding. It's really nice. Try this recipe for the kids whilst they are home. It tastes exactly like the one that we normally buy at McDonald's. Even this one tastes better. Try this recipe for the kids, and the kids will love it. Our chips is ready now, and I'm going to bring it out from the oil, and this is what I present to you, our fresh crispy potato chips. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Erama Moses Kitchen always bring you the best. Subscribe.